Welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also to leave your comment in the comment section to share your thought to others so we both can learn. Let's get straight into today's video. These are the measurements needed for this lesson today. Step-by-step process in cutting a trouser. So when we first of all get our starting line, we measure from that place to get our length measurement, which is 37 plus 2 inches allowance, which is our folding allowance. From there we go to our tie line. From our waistline we come down 10.5 inches. So let's connect those points together. That is our tie line. So as you see me doing, we want to get our knee line. So you do the same as I'm doing. Connect those points together. After this, let's go back to the tie measurement, which is 24 by 2. We'll give it 12 inches. We simply add half inches to the 12 inches. That's going to give you 12.5 inches. So you mark the 12.5 inches on the tie line. From this knee line, we go inside by 1 inch. Then we come back to the tie line. We go inside by 2.5 inches. We connect it as you see me do. Go upwards from the tie line 2 or 2.5 inches. And we do as I'm doing on the video. You make your crotch curve. After finishing with the crotch curve, let's go back to the waistline. And we all remember the waist measurement is 29 by 4 inches. Is going to give us 7.75. So we mark it there, and we use our ruler to connect all the lines as you see me doing in the video. So far, if you found this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. So from here, our knee measurement is 17 by 2 will give us 8.5, and we do the same thing to the hem side. Divide the hem measurement by 2, then we connect the lines or the points together as you see me doing in the video. So after that, we then cut it out, and that is our front. I'm just confirming my measurement to see if they are all correct. You see that. So please, if you see this video interesting, please subscribe, like, and leave your comment in the comment section. So after cutting this, we just go ahead to cut our back out, and you see what I've done. So from here, we are going to turn it again to the other side. As you see me doing, just make sure everything is aligned, and you cut this side according to how you've seen it. Just if you don't understand, just do as I'm doing in the video. You can replay the video back down, watch again if you don't understand anything. At this point, the fan was disturbing me. That was why you see how the air was blowing the fabric off. So after getting the shape like this, we just pull it back small. You know, when we were cutting, we didn't add any allowance. So in this back piece, all our allowance we are going to add to the back side. I'm just trying to shape it to get the perfect curve there. I'm sorry the side wasn't showing. I didn't notice that. I'll make sure I'll do another tutorial on this. There are more tutorials yet to come. So I was just measuring my waist measurements by 4, and I I'll input it there, plus 1 inches, which is our dart intake, plus 2 inches, that is our sewing allowance, half inches both sides. That is how it is. Then I'll cut it out, and that is all for the trousers. Just don't forget to leave your comments, ask all your questions, whatever you don't understand, ask it, and I'll be right there in the comment section to respond to all your questions. If you've watched this video up to this part, please subscribe to my channel.